When skin is injured, fibrous tissue, known as scar tissue, forms over the wound to repair and protect it. This leads to the formation of scar. You can get a scar on your skin due to accidents, insect bites, scrapes, acne, burns, chickenpox, piercings, surgical cuts and vaccinations. Scars come in all shapes and sizes, and can affect your appearance and make you self-conscious. 1. Aloe Vera Gel for facial scars. Aloe Vera Gel helps strengthen the collagen structure within the scar tissue. When used on healing wounds, it will help boost the healing process while curbing the formation of scars. Its glycoprotein content helps stop pain and inflammation while promoting skin repair and growth. Ingredients: Aloe Vera Gel / aloe vera leaf. Instructions: cut an aloe vera leaf and scoop out the gel. Blend the gel until it reaches a smooth consistency. Alternatively, you can use ready-made pure aloe vera gel. Wash your face and pat dry with a towel. Liberally apply the aloe vera gel onto your scars. Let the aloe vera gel dry and sink into your skin. 2. Apple cider vinegar for facial scars. Using apple cider vinegar is a great way to fade acne scars. Apple cider vinegar has strong astringent properties which dry out your skin. This helps it scrape off all the dirt, dust, and dead skin cells on your skin. It also contains lactic and malic acids which help exfoliate and soften the skin, reducing redness. These acids also help restore skin with indented scars. Ingredients: -1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, -1 teaspoon water. Cotton pad. Instructions: take equal portions of apple cider vinegar and water and mix the two ingredients together. Wash your face and pat it dry with a towel. Saturate a cotton pad with a diluted ACV and start dabbing it onto your skin. Once all of the problem areas are covered, let the ACV dry for about 10 minutes. Wash your face and pat it dry with a towel. 3. Coconut oil for facial scars. Coconut oil has excellent analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce skin infection and treats issues such as psoriasis, dermatitis, eczema, and acne. It also helps reduce the formation of scar tissue during the healing process and helps fade scars to a certain extent after they have healed. Ingredients: -1 teaspoon cold-pressed coconut oil. Instructions: heat the oil for a couple of seconds until it is slightly warm. Wash your face and pat it dry with a towel. Massage the oil onto your face for a couple of minutes. Do not wash off the oil. 4. Honey for facial scars. Honey is a humectant and antioxidant which helps seal moisture and prevent skin damage. It also has antibacterial properties which make it an effective ingredient to use when dealing with acne and acne scars. It is also a bleaching agent that will help lighten scars. Ingredients: -1 teaspoon raw honey. Hot towel. Instructions: wash your skin and pat it dry with a towel. Place a hot towel on your face for a couple of minutes to open up your pores. Remove the towel and apply the honey onto your face. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and rinse it off with water. Pat your skin dry with a towel. 5. Lemon juice for facial scars. The vitamin C in lemon helps boost the production of collagen which aids skin repair while reducing the appearance of a scar. It also helps remove dead skin cells while improving skin elasticity. Lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent which can even out your skin tone. Ingredients: -1 teaspoon lemon juice. Cotton pad. Instructions: squeeze out a teaspoon of lemon juice and set it aside. Wash your face and pat it dry with a towel. Saturate a cotton pad with the lemon juice and dab its juice onto the affected areas. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Wash off the lemon juice with a mild cleanser. 6. Baking soda for facial scars. Baking soda is one of the best ingredients you could use to get rid of acne scars. It has excellent exfoliating and anti-inflammatory properties which help ease irritation while banishing dead skin and dirt. It helps reveal the younger layers of your skin, fading the appearance of scars. Ingredients: -2 tablespoons baking soda, -1 tablespoon water. Instructions: mix the baking soda and water to get a smooth paste. Wash your face and pat dry. Apply the baking soda mixture onto your face and massage for 2-3 minutes. Leave the paste on for another 5 minutes. Wash your face and pat it dry with a towel. 7. Olive oil and tea tree oil for facial scars. Tea tree oil has wonderful healing properties which help reduce the appearance of scars. It is also a great ingredient for fighting acne and works beautifully when it comes to healing hypertrophic scars. This may be owed to its strong antibacterial, antiseptic, antifungal, and antiviral properties. In combination with olive oil, it helps soften your skin to help repair and nourish it. Ingredients: -1 teaspoon olive oil, 2 drops tea tree oil. Hot towel. Instructions: combine the ingredients to get a smooth blend. Wash your face and pat it dry with a towel. Liberally apply the tea tree and olive oil blend onto your skin. Cover your face with a hot towel. Wait for 10 minutes and then gently rub the oil off.